Hey, what's going on everyone? This is DIY Lawn Care Monster, and today I'm going to show you how I did my first ever lawn renovation. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on everyone? This is DIY the Lawn Care Monster, and today I'm going to kind of give you an overview of what I did on my first ever renovation. So the first thing I did a hard scalp. The second thing is I thatched. The third is I aerated. And the fourth, I put seed. And then the fifth was starter fertilizer. So when doing a lawn renovation, the most important thing to get right is your water. What was so difficult for me was, as you can see right now, is my front yard's at a slope, and then it kind of levels out the closer it gets to the flower bed. And right here in this little area, I get hardly any sun at all. It's kind of why I went with Scott's Sun and Shade Mix, which you'll see later has done a tremendous job of growing despite of the sun and how the water kind of runs off. So what I'm trying to show you right here is I have put down an application of tenacity, and this is 3 days after I had sprayed, and the weeds and the grassy weeds is turning white, which is awesome. And this was after I had put down a seed, and you can see little sprouts already coming up from the Scott's Sun and Shade Mix, which is awesome. Right in this little area, I had hardly any grass growing at all, and it's growing fairly well. The only thing that I seen that was kind of odd when I put the tenacity down was that some of my sprouts were coming up white and a little purple, but Pete from GCI Turf kind of guided me a little bit and told me it will be okay, just let it ride it out, and I did, and you'll see later it turned out perfect. So this is a little different sprinkler head that I had to go with because the top of my yard was getting very little water because of the runoff. So I switched to, I can't remember what the name is, but I had to switch to this sprinkler head because it put out a lot more water, and I can kind of dial in for the top of my yard, and worked out really well. This is not a fungus, but this is what happens when your soil is not used to the Milorganite.